Hi there, Jim with DoubleDome here, and I wanted to go over our Google Analytics 4 plugin for WordPress. We are looking at the landing page on WordPress.org right now, which goes into detail about this particular plugin. And you can obviously download the plugin from here. What is much easier, of course, is just to install it from your WordPress admin, which I'll show you in a moment. It's a very simple plugin that just allows you to add once you have your GA4 measurement ID, to plug that in. You can add some custom code and you have some control over where this actually sits within the code of your WordPress website. But it's quite simple. So if we're looking at the back end of a WordPress site, this is what, once you do install it, you'll have this DoubleDome GA4 area in the sidebar. There's an overview and how to use section, which goes over the details that you would also find on the WordPress.org landing page. And then the plugin settings. This is kind of the meat of it. Obviously, it's a very simple plugin, but quite useful. Just allows you to add your measurement ID right here. You can tell the plugin where you would like that ID to live, whether it's in the header or footer of the code of your WordPress website. You can add custom G-tag objects. You can add any other custom code you would like. And then you can tell the plugin where you would like the custom code to live within the script itself. Once you save changes, you're off and running. It is that simple. Then there's a little support drop down here. You can always reach us at pluginsupport@doubledome.com if you have any questions or issues. Be happy to help you out, and I hope you enjoy this plugin. Thanks.